Today, I'm using my springform pan to make an Easter Jell-O dessert. This will be great for Easter or springtime celebration. The ingredients you're going to need are graham cracker crumbs, food coloring in pastel colors, berry blue Jell-O, pineapple, grape, sprinkles for on top, whipped cream, 3 containers of frozen whipped cream, and butter. I'm using a 9-inch springform pan, and I've put parchment paper inside. That's going to hold my graham cracker crust and my 3 layers. But if you want to do 4 flavors of Jell-O, I would recommend using a 10-inch springform pan. So here's our graham cracker crumbs. 1.5 cups. And we're going to add butter to it, 1/4 cup. Let me get the rest of that out. And we're going to mix it together. And that's going to form our bottom layer. Now I wanted to use the parchment paper because just to make it easier when you're cutting and getting pieces out. You don't have to, but I want to give that a try. Because the first time I made it, I didn't use parchment paper. So you want to spread it around, try and even it out. Okay, here's our Cool Whip, our first tub, which I've let come to room temperature. So it's very soft. Here's my blue. I'm going to start with blue. You can start with any color you want. This is our berry blue. And first I'm going to mix it with my spatula, and then I'm going to come in with the hand mixer. I'm actually going to use the blue that I already have open from the first time I made it, instead of opening this one. Let's try it and see. Now we're going to put this on the bottom. So make sure that everything's incorporated, that there's no streaks of white. Okay. Now that I'm done putting this first layer on, I'm going to let it chill for 30 minutes. Then we'll start the next one. Okay, ready to do the next flavor or the next layer, and I've decided I'm going to do pineapple, so it's very light colored. And it's almost white. Now this time I'm going to put the whole tube in. And it'll still be very pale. Now, one of the videos I watched, here's the yellow. They use lemon, and I'm not a fan of lemon Jell-O, so that's why I changed it to pineapple. So you can see it's very pale, but it's still going to look great. Now, if you had more food coloring, you definitely could use it if you want to make it brighter.
Now tell me you're going to chill it again.
So of course it's going to go back in the refrigerator for 30 more minutes while we clean everything up and prepare for the third color. It's time to do our final layer, and this is grape, but another option would be strawberry. See, so it has a purplish hue, but of course that is not enough to color the Cool Whip. There was only the blue one that didn't. I just pinky hue to it. For another 30 minutes and then decorate it, and we're going to try it. We already know it's good. So this is a layer you definitely want to get it even on top as much as possible. Okay, I'm going to chill it for 30 minutes and then get it back out. I'm going to decorate it and then we're going to try it. Okay. Now I'm going to pull this apart. I first ran a knife around the inside of it. Oh. So I really feel like if you got the 10-ounce springform pan, you could do a 4th layer. All right. First piece is always the hardest. My stomach's growling. Here it comes.
Wow.
Okay, let's try the second piece.
Can I cut it? I'm an expert cutter.
Okay. Same size as what I cut. Careful. Oh, nice job. Much better than me. Here, let me help you. Good job. That's one to take a picture of.
Man.
Okay. Oh, I know.
Oh, look who likes whipped cream.
Mm-hmm. Look. Mr. Bunnies. So you can put them on top or put them around the outside. Maybe a little bit more.
Where are the Easter gummies?
Oh, I could get those. I have Easter M&Ms. That's another option for around the outside. So yours, do you want them up top?
Sure.
Okay. I don't know if they'll stand. Let's see. And what other colors do we have? Oh, blue. We definitely need that blue. There we go. How's that? Too much? Not enough?
It's cute.
All right. This is Easter layered Jell-O, or any other great name you can think of. I just made that up.
It's awesome.
It is awesome.
We tried this earlier in the week and it was gone pretty quickly.
It was delicious.
3 layers of pastel.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, Cool Whip
Right.
that is
Cool Whip
colored with gelatin.
Jell-O. Mm-hmm. And then the food coloring.
Mm.
And then however you want to decorate it.
So, like a mousse.
Right.
Has a consistency of chocolate mousse, but with pastel,
Mm-hmm.
grape, pineapple,
Mm-hmm.
and what's the third?
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Mm-hmm. Or berry blue, I think they call it.
Mm. Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
And beautiful, and smells amazing.
Yeah.
This is really cool, Bridgetta.
It is. I'm really happy with it.
I'm going for a gummy bear. Well, a gummy bunny.
A gummy bunny, right. So for spring, it'd be great for any kind of party, or Easter, of course. And then change the flavors in the fall, you know, to something a little bit different. Oh, I wanted to show that the classic colors. You can use those also. Just because I used pastel, I did it for the spring.
So I'd never seen the food coloring that was gel food coloring.
Right.
I'm
Usually
used to the ones in the
liquid.
liquid that you drop in. What's the difference? Anything in
I
particular?
don't know. Well, they didn't have it. They
Well,
didn't have the liquid, so
there you go.
I got the gel.
Probably
Maybe,
works just the same.
maybe they don't make it anymore. I don't know. Well, this is really good. Thank you so much for watching. This is delicious. You need to make it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And a new video every Sunday.
Every Sunday. So take care. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye. Really nice. Good job.
I'm so hungry.
Girl, was tired of hearing the same song. And girl, my life was starting to fade without you around. But then you came along bringing something new. Showed the kind of vibe that I never knew. I want you here by my side. It took a little time, but the magic grew. I didn't see it then, now I see the truth. Girl, I realize, I think I'm falling. I think I'm falling into something special. Into something special, babe. I think I'm falling. Never saw it coming. Got just something special. Girl, I think I'm falling in love. Yeah, I think I'm falling in love.